Okay, so special right triangles. So first, let us discuss first the 30 by 60 by 90 triangle. So sa 30 by 60 by 90 triangle, tinatawag po natin itong iscalene triangle. Kasi yung iscalene po, they are different sides, magkakaiba yung angle, so ganun din yan. Magkakaiba kasi sila. So pwede nating tawagin itong iscalene right triangle. So, yung shorter leg po, yung opposite ng 30 degrees, tinatawag natin na shorter leg. And yung opposite naman ng 60 degrees, yung katapat ng 60 degrees, tawag natin dyan ay longer leg. Okay po, o syempre, yung hypotenuse natin, which is the longest side, yung pinakamahabang side ng right triangle, is the hypotenuse. Or, ito yung right angle natin, di ba? Opposite ng right angle, yung katapat, tinatawag nating hypotenuse. So now, yung measure daw ng shorter leg natin is 8. And then yung longer leg naman natin is 8 square root of 3. And then yung hypotenuse natin hinahanap. So first, introduce ko muna sa inyo yung formulas ng 30 by 60 by 90 right triangle. So first, hypotenuse. Pag hypotenuse yung hinahanap, ang formula dyan is 2 times the shorter leg. Kasi po, kahit hindi mo na isolve yan, mental math, titingin ka dun sa shorter leg. Kapag given si shorter leg at pinapahanap si hypotenuse, twice lang. So, twice na lang to, 8 times 2, that is 16. Ayun na yung hypotenuse mo. So, next, if the shorter leg yung nawawala, ang formula dyan is longer leg, LL na lang ha, yung longer leg is equals to shorter leg times the square root of 3. So, kung napansin nyo, yung shorter leg natin is 8. Tapos yung longer leg natin is 8 square root of 3. So, pinagdikit lang. Ganun din yung formula. Okay po. So, kapag si shorter leg naman yung hinahanap, we have shorter leg is equals to hypotenuse all over 2. Kapag given naman si hypotenuse, half lang yung measure ng shorter leg. So, kung dito, twice ng shorter leg yung measure ng hypotenuse, sa shorter leg naman, half ng hypotenuse. So, kapag hindi naman given si hypotenuse, pero given si shorter leg, pwede natin gamitin itong shorter leg is equals to longer leg times square root of 3 all over 3. Okay po. Okay, so now let us find the hypotenuse and given si shorter leg. So, dahil given si shorter leg, pwede natin ito gamitin. So, hypotenuse natin, nirepresenta siya as x is equals to 2 times yung shorter leg natin is 8. So, multiply. X is equals to 2 times 8, that is 16. So, yung measure ng ating hypotenuse ay 16. Or kahit mental math na lang yan, tignan nyo lang shorter leg, twice lang. Ayun na yung sa hypotenuse. So, now let us check if it's correct. So, yung longer leg, check natin kung 8 square root of 3 ba siya. So, copy natin tong formula ng longer leg. We have longer leg is equals to shorter leg natin is 8. So, we have 8 square root of 3. Masisimplify pa ba yan? Hindi. Kaya ito na yung measure ng longer leg. Same ba? Diba? Parehas. So, ito yung formula ng longer leg. So, yung sa shorter leg, kahit hindi nyo na ilagay, lagay nyo lang yung measure ng hypotenuse dyan, 16. So, 16 pag sinubstitute, divide mo sa 2. So, 8. Yung shorter leg natin ay 8. So, tama. Parehas siya, no? So, ayan po yung 30 by 60 by 90 triangle. So, next, type of special right triangle. Next, we have the 45, 45, 90 triangle. So, ito naman, tinatawag natin itong isosceles right triangle. Kasi pag sinabi natin isosceles, dalawang side, dalawang angle are equal. Okay po. So, equal to, di ba? 45 and 45, pareha silang 45. So, equal yung dalawa. So, pwede natin tawaging isosceles right triangle. So, yung dalawang side po ng 45, 45, 90 are equal. Kaya tinatawag natin siyang leg parehas. So, leg. And then, kung ano yung sukat ng isang leg, 6. Ayun din yung sukat ng isa. So, kung ito ay 6, ganun din sa kabila, 6. Also now, may I introduce you the formulas of 45, 45, 90 right triangle. So first, we have the hypotenuse is equals to leg times the square root of 2. Okay po, ayan po yung formula. Pag hypotenuse yung hinahanap sa 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, kapag yung hypotenuse naman yung given, tas nawawala yung dalawang leg, pwede natin gamitin to. So, leg is equals to hypotenuse square root of 2 all over 2. Okay po, ayan po, pwede po yan. So now, hanapin natin yung hypotenuse since given na yung dalawang leg which is 6. So we have hypotenuse is equals to leg natin is 6. 6 times square root of 2 and then multiply, pagdikitin nyo lang. 6 times square root of 2 is 6 square root of 2. So ito na po yung measure ng hypotenuse. We have 6 square root of 2. Po. So now, check natin tong leg if kung tama yung formula na lalabas. So dapat 6 yung lalabas. We have leg is equals to hypotenuse natin is 6 square root of 2 times square root of 2 all over 2. Now, multiply the radical. So, square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4 all over 2. So, we have leg is equals to square root ng 4, that is 2 all over 2. So, dito tayo. So, we have leg is equals to 6 times 2, that is 12 all over 2. And 12 divides 2, that is 6. Diba? Parehas. So, tama yung formula na ito. Pwede ito magamit. Okay, so ayan po yung special right triangle. We have 30 by 60 by 90, 45, 45, 90. So, sa 30 by 60 by 90, tinatawag na scalene right triangle. Sa 45, 45, 90 naman, tinatawag itong isosceles right triangle. So, next po ay fourth quarter na. Thank you.